Hello, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Gala. Gala is trading within a range. It hasn't found its feet for a rally, but it's in a preparation mode. Let me go into this analysis in detail, and you can see how Gala price has been behaving. Point 1, Gala made a low of 0.02993. From there, it got a rally and it rise and hit 0.05100. That marked the top of Gala resistance zone before it finally comes down to our major moving average, the 200-day SMA at point 2. It hit 0.03603. That's the lowest point Gala made. From there, it rallied grudgingly and it rise above the 50-day moving average and the 21-day exponential moving average. Then it hit around the resistance zone at 0.05000. It couldn't progress and it dropped drastically with huge volume. It falls back to the 200-day moving average. That's our latest support zone at 0.03654. When it hit the support zone, the bar is an outside bar. It has a volume that closes at the average volume, and it's several bars occurring around the 200-day moving average. They are closing tightly. That is telling us that the big traders, they are holding tight and sitting on sidelines, watching Gala and trying to make decision of what next direction Gala will be heading. The present bar is a very tiny bar. It has the smallest volume at the moment, and the range of the bar is the lowest among all. It's trading below the 50-day and the 21 EMA, and it's above the 200-day SMA. Anytime price is below, in between the major moving averages, we have to keep calm, watch the action very closely, and wait for it to finally break through either to the upside direction or downward direction. It's either it breaks the 200-day moving average or the 50-day moving average. At this particular point, it's acting as a support. That's why I drew the line support zone, because the price is finding support. It's not breaking the 200-day moving average down drastically. It's only rounding and laying flat on it. So we have to wait for volumes to come in. That will let us know the next direction Gala is going to head. And when the volume comes in, it's either it breaks down below the 200-day moving average, which will render the rally invalid. And if it finally break above the 50-day moving average and the volume is and the volume is huge, then it's confirmed that the uptrend is gaining traction, and the support from big traders is also becoming active, and it's going to head back to its latest resistance zone, which is 0.05000. Once Gala could reach their particular price, and if it finally break through the 0.05000 and it close above it with a support volume, then that shows Gala has finally resumed its upward trend and we can start trading it in upward direction. Let me zoom in a bit. We can see the performance of Gala since the beginning of the year. So as you can see, while zooming out, it's in large range bound, and when it's in large range bound, that shows it's still undecided of which direction to go. But there's potential for upside because the downside pressure has been subdued and the upward pressure is building at the moment. So that's why our focus will be on how it's going to start rising towards the upward resistance zone. Then we can decide which direction it's going to head. So for now, if you are on Gala, sit on sidelines, hold your position, and wait for the next line of action or which direction Gala is going to head. If this analysis really helps you, subscribe to the channel, and if you have more question or more clarity on the analysis, drop your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.